is a landing page. You need to have any business, anyone in business with or without a website would need to have a landing page. Why do we need a landing page, you ask? Landing page is simply a way to gather a list. So when I say gather a list, what I'm referring to is to collect your potential customers' information. So in order to do that, you're looking for three things, bottom line: the first name, the last name, and the email. Is first name, last name, and email address. So if you don't have a landing page, think about getting one. We can also help you with that. So create a landing page that collects this data. The landing page should be visually appealing to your chosen audience. Your landing page should be long. So that landing page should give information about the product or services that you're offering that your customers can expect to get from you. So you're using that landing page not only to collect data, but you're also using it to give customers information. So your landing page, if it's long and it has the right information in it, it has a conversion rate of over 220%. So imagine every single day you're able to collect 10 new emails. At the end of the week, you're able to collect 70 new emails. At the end of the month, times that by 30. You can do the equation. Another way that you can use your landing page correctly is to have videos on your landing page. So for instance, this vlog that we're doing right now goes on our landing page. So your customers can see what you do. When they see it, it sticks in the brain and they remember. Another thing to consider when you add videos to your landing page, it also guarantees 90% conversion, because your clients, if you put the right video contents together, your clients can relate to it. Another way you can add more information to your landing page: don't ask for personal details. When anybody sees personal details request on landing page, it turns them off instantly. So 3 things your landing page needs to have. It needs to have a form, right? So when it has that form, it needs to be short. So the fields, like I mentioned, the first name, the last name, and the email address. Those are the basic things that you need to collect. Anything more than 5 form fields just really gets really messy. And you really don't want to have that much going in. Number 2 is to also make sure that it's visually appealing to your audience. Make sure it's clearly stating what you do. Because when they know what you do, it's easy for them to be able to relate with you. Number 3, there must be a call to action button. So when you see click here, your landing page needs to have these 3 basic things. Thank you again for watching Kunmis Media. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.